In this video, I'll guide you through how to log into a Namecheap account. Whether you're managing domains, hosting, or other services, everything starts with signing in, so we'll walk through each part slowly and clearly. First, you'll need to open a web browser on your computer, laptop, or mobile device. You can use any modern browser you like, such as Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. In the address bar at the very top of the browser window, type in the Namecheap login address, namecheap.com/myaccount/login. Then press enter on your keyboard or tap go on your device. This will take you directly to the Namecheap login page. Once the page loads, you should see the login form in the center of the screen. Here you'll be asked for two things: your username and your password. Start by clicking or tapping inside the username field. Carefully type the username you created when you first registered your Namecheap account. If you're not sure what your username is, remember that it might be different from your email address depending on how you set up your account. Take a moment to double check for any typing errors like extra spaces or incorrect characters. Next, move to the password field. Click or tap inside this box and enter your password exactly as you created it. Passwords are usually case sensitive, so make sure your caps lock key is not accidentally turned on, and pay attention to any numbers, symbols, or special characters. If the login page offers an option to show or hide your password, you can briefly enable that to visually confirm you've typed it correctly, then hide it again for security. Before you continue, take a second to ensure that the web address at the top of your browser is correct and that you see a secure connection indicator such as a padlock icon. This helps confirm you are on the official Namecheap site and not a lookalike page. Now that both your username and password are entered, you're ready to log in. Click or tap the login button underneath the fields. The site will process your information for a moment. If everything is entered correctly, you'll be taken to your Namecheap account dashboard where you can manage your domains, hosting plans, and other services linked to your account. If the login doesn't work and you see an error message, stay calm and check a few common issues. Make sure there are no typos in your username or password. Try retyping them slowly. If you still can't get in, look for a link on the page that says something like forgot username or forgot password. Using that link, you can reset your login details using your account email. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, then return to the login page and sign in with your updated information. Once you're successfully logged in, you may want to bookmark the login page in your browser so it's easier to access next time. Just remember not to save your password on shared or public computers to keep your account secure. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to go to the Namecheap login page, enter your username and password, and sign into your account so you can start managing your services.